So welcome to my channel today. I'm doing a rather quick sketch of Cillian Murphy from the original 28 Days Later. This is the scene, wandering the streets of London, just wondering what's going on in life in general. Pretty infamous scene in cinema, if not in, or at the very least in zombie films. This of course comes hot on the heels, no surprise, of the release of the trailer for 28 Years Later over the last day. So I hope you enjoy this quick sketch of Cillian Murphy in, as far as I understand it, the role that shot him to global infamy. Have you seen 28 Days Later? If you haven't, I imagine there'll be all sorts of re-releases and things coming out soon for the third of these movies. And I wonder how it holds up to modern standards. As always, putting out the invitation to let me know if there's anyone or even anything that you'd be keen to see me draw. I use a fairly rough sketch technique, so let me know if there's if there is someone that you'd like to see immortalized. Not so much through my pencil, I guess, because it's pencil. I would hardly call it immortal, but through these videos. So please do let me know. I'd appreciate that. And I really just appreciate you checking out my channel. Got other videos, so feel free to click through. I'd appreciate that. Give a like, of course. And if you do like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Got new content coming out all the time. And I like to think and hope that the content's even getting better all the time as my drawing improves. Are you on a similar journey for learning how to draw as I am? Let me know how you're going. Yeah, feel free to reach out. It's always my intention to be able to respond back as quick as I can, so I'd appreciate those comments and saying good day. This is a mechanical pencil that just came in the mailbox today. Thankfully, the rain in my mailbox didn't seep through and too much and destroy this pencil. Quite liking it so far. I like that you can, it's got a little bit of a shaver at the back, so you don't need to have one of those with you necessarily. And quite liking the way it feels in my hand, more important than anything else. And I do like the idea too of, not needing to cut down trees in order to get a pencil, only for me to then get a razor on this end and trim the tree back off the pencil. So that's quite nice as well. This is, I think, either a HB or a 2B lead, so it's not overly dark. Certainly, if this goes well, look to invest in something a little bit darker, a bit more my style. I won't talk much during this video, so just enjoy. I might try to get some music on in the background. As I say, if you do have any any questions or you want to reach out for any reason, please do so in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for checking out this brief portrait of Cillian Murphy.